Well, that was the scene 1 year ago today when COVID-19 vaccinations began here in the Badger State. This video from UW Health shows the first shot of what's now 8 million total doses that have been given statewide. Good evening to you. I'm John Erickson.
And I'm Nina Sperano. Thanks for being with us. 365 days after those first doses were given out, here's where Wisconsin stands tonight. More than 3.5 million people have gotten at least one dose of the vaccine. That represents more than 61% of people living in Wisconsin.
If we break those numbers down, you can see some disparities, not just county by county, but city by city as well. According to DHS, 62% of people in Brown County have received at least one dose of the vaccine. You see it right there. In Green Bay, 55% within city limits. The highest percentage is in Lawrence, where 72% of people have gotten at least one dose of the COVID vaccine. The lowest number is in the village of Maribel, 32%. As far as Outagamie County, 61% of people in the county and the city of Appleton have gotten at least one dose of the vaccine. The highest number is 66% in Grand Chute. The lowest is in the town of Black Creek, where 33% of people have gotten at least one vaccine.
Tonight, 1 year after our first dose, the fight against the pandemic rages on. Right now in the Fox Valley, the Wisconsin Hospital Association reports that 0 ICU or immediate care beds are available. And in the Northeast region, that includes Green Bay, just 3 out of 207 ICU beds are open. Tonight, NBC 26's Kelsey Dickinson explains what is driving up our hospital capacities.
The COVID-19 pandemic continues to add stress on our healthcare systems.
We stay at near capacity most of the time.
Across the 15 HSHS hospitals, including 2 in Green Bay, 50 COVID-19 patients are in the ICU, and COVID-related hospitalizations are increasing.
Part of the balancing here with the increase in COVID numbers is that we still have many other patients to take care of. And there's only so many beds to be able to do that. We're still working through all of that, and our teams are putting in long hours.
But at HSHS hospitals, it's not just COVID patients in the ICU.
It's every other thing that people have, whether it's strokes, heart attacks, traumatic injuries, things like that.
We're seeing a similar situation in other parts of the state.
A lot of folks put off care. So we're seeing sort of a surge, if you will, of delayed care that folks are coming in to get now. That's a whole nother component on top of the everyday business that we all do.
Across Ascension, Wisconsin's 3 Fox Valley region hospitals, officials say there are nearly 40 people hospitalized with COVID-19, one of the highest numbers they've seen this year.
We could be in so much better shape today than we're actually in if we had enough people get vaccinated.
Gregory Brusco says staffing shortages also play a role. Less staff available to provide care means fewer beds can be used at one time. Kelsey Dickinson, NBC 26.